Have you ever noticed people don't hate differences as much as they hate being reminded they are different? And that's where power is lost by showing your all thoughts openly. And this is what Law 38th of the 48 Laws of Power book teaches us. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I am about to explain 38th law of the 48 Laws of Power book that teaches us why should we hide our differences until the right time. So make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, because this is what I will keep doing until unless I explain every each law of this book in my videos. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle and send me your DM. I will be giving you free PDF of this book, but you will have to follow me. So 38th law of the 48 laws of power book, that is, think as you like but behave like others. This law says that you are free to think whatever you want, but you must be careful how much of it you show, because people feel comfortable when you speak, behave, and act like them. But when you openly challenge their belief and value, they feel threatened, even if you are right. Because power grows by blending in society, and while staying independent mentally. You don't need to agree inside your head, but outside your head, you must agree a group people's opinion. This is what this law says. Let me make you understand with an example. Imagine you work in a company. Everyone believes that working late hours decides power, and working late hours gives respect. But you personally believe that working late hour is not that much important. Productivity matters more hours spent. But if you say it openly, people will dislike you and exclude you. But if you accept office politics, and if you accept office environment, and if you cooperate, people will respect you. This is what this law says. Staying out mentally creates power, but staying out socially too early takes it away. So this was the 38th law of the 48 laws of power book. And let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this law? What is your perspective about this law? And if you want to get free PDF of this book, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle. And if you want to know more about this book by watching English video, so make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, because as I told you, I will keep doing this until unless I explain every each law of this book in my videos. And I will see you in the next video.